Okay, so for my rig here, I have these little lights. They work off battery, but the battery lasts for like nothing. But I have right here, there's this little light stand I designed and 3D printed, and I wanted to do the same for on this side, so it had even lighting across, and there wasn't this shadow. So what I'm gonna do is what I'm planning on doing right here is, since the tripod I'm using right now has a big kind of pole through the middle. It's either going to be like a clamp on method, because on this side of the tripod right there, there's like this handle that pokes out, and I just have it slid over there, projecting light off. Also, my phone light's on, but that wastes a lot of batteries. So my goal is to make and design kind of another side to this whole thing. So let me just grab some. Nothing happened. Anyway, now that I have my trusty multimeter to zero that, we're just gonna take the dimensions for this, and I will see you over in computer. Welcome to the computer. Okay, so in Fusion 360, I'm going to model up a little mount here from the dimensions I got from the light thing I just showed you. It is, let me just double check, it is 62.5, no, 62 millimeters, so we'll make 62 is the inner. We'll just drag this in so it's a little easier to see. And then there's going to be another circle. That's going to be, let's say, 72. So there's a 10%, or not 10%, 10 centimeter increase. A lot of people think it's weird that I use metric, but it's better. Anyway, so now that we have this design here, what we're going to do is we're going to extrude this here panel. How deep is this? The lamp is, let's see, 22.5, so we'll just make it 23.5, give us some extra leeway. And we're going to go into sketches, just extrude this part 2 millimeters, and extrude this part 2 millimeters, and then we will have the main chassis. Okay, so now to affix it to this, I think we're going to take the diameter right here, which is 16.5. So we're going to add this through, put that there, add this here again. Then we're going to create a protrusion in the middle-ish area. Hold on. Let me redo this so that we get this thing. Righty-o. Now we just draw a circle, right? Oh, we can draw a circle right about go there. Yeah, that's pretty much in the center. And we will go. So let me measure the full distance out. It is about 130. Since we don't need that length, we can maybe just do. Anyway, Let's make this pole about 18. Okay, now what we can do is just drag this to kind of center it. That's good. So now we have this, and it'll just go out like that. We'll extrude, what was it, 120 here on the back. We can add screw holes. Let's just do side and side. So we'll go here, add a sketch, put a excuse me. We'll do a 3mm. Let's just do 3.1. Or no, let's do M4. M4 by something. Okay, so we'll make it 4.05. Okay, and then on the other side, we'll make another one tangent to this. Oh. And make 4.1 again. And then we'll extrude and also extrude. Let's do 20. Ooh. Okay. Now we can add a little chamfer so things look normal. Okay, so 5mm seems to be so. Oh, the homing went out. Then we will also add a chamfer here. Oof. Let's make it 3. Yeah, or 2. Okay, now that we're in the slicer here, let's get that new thing that we just made. Oh gosh, go to quick access. There. Now if we open it, we get this. We position that part, we'll save that for my other printer. A decently nice part, we'll just lay it flat like so. And then we'll send that to the printer. Okay, so here's the result of that. It just came off my Prusa Mini. It fits very nice onto the ground, or not the ground, the pole of the tripod. Now we just wait for the other piece. So, I will see you in 3 hours. Okay, so the other 2 halves have finished printing. I made a little mistake. I forgot to add a small chamfer there so that these parts are just separate. You can see that little gap between them. But overall, it fits the light quite nice. See, very nice fit. And it will be assembled very shortly. Okay, so we're now just gonna glue them both together. We take copious amounts of hot glue on one and take the other and mash it together. Keep it very firm, very tight, and then touch it up a little around the edge like so. Okay, So, now that we've jankily, I would say, I don't know how to say it properly, we've jankily connected this to each other, now we can affix it to the tripod. Okay, now we're just going to strip some wire for the battery connections. Okay, oh, I gotta do the other side. Okay, we just strip those off like so. Take off the edge. And now I'll have to solder it off screen since my soldering station doesn't extend past here. I will be right back. Okay, I finished soldering up those wires. Now we just feed this through like so, along with this, and we'll connect it in parallel. Yeah, in parallel. Okay, now this is in quite nice. So we won't quite fit it permanently, but now let me just fix it to the side. There we go. I have fitted the second lamp, and now look at it. Beautiful. It's kind of it's multi-directional. It's better. Mission successful. Here is what it looks like. Beautiful. Look at that. It fits like a glove, does it? This side kind of stripped a little bit, but look at beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure enjoyed the video. Oh, one's not turning on. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, there we go. Second one's on. I have a little LED remote. I can make them red. You can't see them because it's weak. Or green. Or blue. But the favorite is indeed white, which we can dim, but that's a duty cycle thing, so ugh. I prefer full power mode. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have a great day.